What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Let's go to the antique mall and have a look around. This antique mall is called the Treasure Hunt. It is one of my favorite places to go. I can almost always find great Barbie stuff here. I have a soft spot for holiday Barbies. And look at that Barbie basic. Here are some Kelly dolls dressed up for Halloween. So cute. And here is a Halloween Barbie. Love the outfit. Barbie keychains. It says these are working mini dolls. I see SpongeBob. Those could make really cute pajamas. And we're back. Want to see what I found? The 2007 Holiday Barbie. I have wanted this dress for a very long time, and I got it for $18. It doesn't look like it's ever been opened. Here's the back of the box. There's a window on 3 sides. That box was so difficult to open, but nothing was going to stop me. I have wanted this dress for a long time. The gown has a Santa-inspired look. There's a little faux fur hair accessory, but it is held in place with one of those little plastic stays. I can just slide it off of the doll's hair, because we know this is all going to Mini Toya anyway. Without that small piece of plastic holding it together, I can't really secure it to my doll's ponytail, so you'll have to just figure that out. My doll's hair is heavy enough that I can just get it to stay. This Barbie has a beautiful classic face with green eyes, red lipstick. She has gold-colored earrings with little gems in the center, a matching necklace on gold thread, and it's just tied in the back. So if I want to use this necklace, I'll have to put it on a chain, and the earrings were not designed to be removed. She comes with long white gloves. The dress is a red velvet with black lace. We can really see that lace at the bottom. And there's a black faux leather belt with a large buckle. She comes with black shoes and a doll stand. I think this is a very pretty holiday gown that is sewn on. The belt has Velcro, but it looks like she is stitched into the dress. You didn't think that was gonna stop me, did ya? However, it wasn't easy. I had to use a seam ripper, I will have to add Velcro, and it's a snug fit because the original doll had a Model Muse body. But I love how it is finished all the way around, and I'm happy I finally found this dress. What, too soon for the holidays? Okay, how about Catwoman? This is Halle Berry as Catwoman from 2004. Love the box art. Oh no! The faux leather is not aging well. It's literally flaking off. I'm kind of scared to even touch it. I think I'll just damage it further, so... I really thought I was about to get me a Catwoman costume with a faux leather mask. Let's see if we can lift it up to see the doll's face. Oh, she has cat eyes. Did I ruin it? Nah, she's good. She has a faux leather top with a zipper detail, long gloves, and her hands are a black plastic with long nails. I mean claws. There's a plastic belt going across her chest. She wears shredded black pants, has a whip, and a belt with a buckle. I can't stand the idea of this doll living forever in this box. So one day I think I'm gonna take it out and try to recreate this costume and give her a new look. But not today. I found this Kelly doll, Halloween Party Desiree. I don't have a Kelly doll collection, so when I saw this, I was like, hey, this might be a good time to start one. Also, Toya, I am currently downsizing my doll collection. Hey, this is a mini doll, so it's smaller, so technically I am downsizing. See what I did there? It says that it is a Target special edition. The bottom of the packaging is a small doll stand that holds the doll's legs. Oh wow. Her rubber band has fallen apart. She has dark brown hair, painted on little tiny freckles, and wears a pumpkin costume. The pumpkin is plush, which is kind of cute, and she has a little matching hat that ties under the neck with a green ribbon. The pumpkin is removable, and she has a black cat suit underneath, and she wears little green velvet shoes. This doll has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. It's a really cute Halloween piece to have in our collection. Barbie cards that come with a dress. This was a thing? On the side, it says Barbie Fashion Greeting Card. There's an envelope and a card with an actual fabric dress attached to the front. The side opens up, so there's a little message from Barbie. And you can write your own message. Then we can remove the dress and give it to our doll. It fits! I love the black, white, and pink Barbie vibe. Speaking of, then and now from 1959 to 2009, bathing suit Barbie. Kinda loving this inspired look. I've been looking for this bathing suit for a minute. The box art has an illustration of the 1959 Barbie and then a 2009 illustration. As we've seen with a few other dolls, the rubber bands are not aging the best. Check out the pictures on the packaging. You know we're gonna have to use this. The doll comes with a small paperboard bag, a pink hairbrush, a pink Barbie flip phone, and a Barbie wearing a black, white, and pink bathing suit. She has blonde hair, blue eyes, pink lipstick, and I love the way they did it. It looks like her lips are lined with a pink and then has a little shimmer. She has pink sunglasses, bangs, her hair is pulled up into a ponytail with a little flip. She has that side eye, wears pink earrings that were not designed to be removed. The bathing suit has glitter glued to it. She has a pink and black bracelet, has a tag that says Barbie 50, and wears black heels. This doll has movement at the head, shoulder, hip, and she has bend and click knees. The bathing suit fits my mini just fine, and this made-to-move Barbie body looks like a perfect match. And now she can hold her flip phone to her face. And she's totally shelf ready. I found this cute little ballerina set. I get another Kelly doll. This Barbie is articulated. She has movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, hip, and knee. Oh wait, and ankle, and waist. Almost forgot that. Giving her a pretty nice range of posability. This is an older Barbie body type, so she's larger at the top and small at the waist. I looked these dolls up online, and they are the Ballet Recital Barbie and Kelly gift set from 1997. This Kelly doll has blonde hair, blue eyes, and is wearing a similar outfit to Barbie. A pink leotard with attached tights, little ballet shoes, and tulle around the elbows. There's a tutu that we can attach to finish her look. Barbie's tutu has some lacing in the front, and her ballet shoes are painted on. The tutu is separate, which is awesome. Her outfit can fit a made-to-move Barbie, so we will be adding it to the wardrobe as well. You know what? I'm doing it. I'm doing it anyway. The faux leather is just flaking off, so we might as well take her out of the box and get a good look. This doll has elbow articulation, shoulder, head, hip, and knee. So she is posable. Unfortunately, the clothing is pretty damaged, but now we get a look at the back, and we can see that she is sewn in. I think the design is really cool. I just wish the clothes were in better condition. And she does have a short little haircut. I picked up 2 Barbie keychains. I paid $6 and it says that each keychain features movable arms, legs, head, or accessories. Love the vintage Barbie art on the side. On the back, we can see all the keychains that were available. I carefully open the box to get a closer look. This figure is about 4 inches. About the same size as a Kelly doll. She can move at the head and at the shoulder. The first stole is removable, and she has a little tiny pearl necklace. This is the Enchanted Evening Barbie. I don't think I will use this as a keychain because I will destroy it, so we're probably going to use it as an ornament or just keep it on display. I also got Poodle Parade Barbie, introduced in 1965. She comes with a purse. It's really tiny with painted details and a sticker. The Barbie can move at the head and at the shoulder. I think we will display her with the purse on the side. But I think these are a pretty cute find for a Barbie fan. Overall, with today's finds, I think we did pretty good. I found one of my favorite holiday Barbie dresses, although I do have to sew on some Velcro or snaps. We only had one fashion disaster. We added a new doll to the shelf. Make that 3, because I just started a Kelly doll collection. Mini Toya got a ballet costume and discovered that cards with dresses is a genius idea and we need more. Thank you for joining us while we checked out some Barbie stuff we found at the antique mall. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!